Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be experimenting with density. For this experiment, you will need a glass filled halfway with water, 3 different liquids. Today I will be using coconut milk, dish soap, and olive oil. You'll need 1 color of food coloring and a long spoon. First, you'll take your food coloring and just put in 1 or 2 drops of color. You don't want it to be too dark because you want to see what's going on. Then you'll take your first liquid and using the back of the spoon, gently pour the liquid in. You'll see that the soap sinks to the bottom. This means that the soap is more dense than water. Because the soap is more dense, it sits at the bottom of the glass. Then you are going to pour in your next liquid. Again, using the back of the spoon, I am going to pour in the olive oil, and you can see that the olive oil stays on top. This means it is less dense than water. You can now see that we have 3 distinct lines. Next, I am going to pour in the coconut milk. You'll see that this one is different. It doesn't make its own line. It actually ends up mixing with the water. That's because coconut milk has the same density as water. And there you have it. We have discovered that oil is less dense than water, dish soap is denser than water, and coconut milk has the same density as water. Can you find out the densities of liquids that you have at home?